The SUMPRODUCT function in Excel will save you a lot of time. So a couple great use cases for SUMPRODUCT function is to find the final grade in a class and to find the total sales for sales that you have. So basically what the SUMPRODUCT function does is it takes the respective nth item in each list that you pass it, and it multiplies it by the nth item for another list and adds that all together. So what I mean by that is it's kind of the same thing as going is the weight times the grade plus the weight of the second item times the grade of the second item plus the weight of the third item times the weight of the fourth item, and so on and so forth. But it's much faster to use. So to use the SUMPRODUCT function, first thing that you do is you equal SUMPRODUCT, open parentheses. Now the first array, you can give as many arrays as you like, but the first array is the array that is the weight in this example, comma, the second array is the grade, and close parentheses. As you can see, this person barely got an A in the class, but as you can see, what it does is it multiplies the weight of the first item times the grade of the first item, plus the weight of the second item times the grade of the second item, and then it adds all that together, taking the sum product. Another use case is the total sales, so equals sum product, open parentheses. The first array in this example is going to be the quantity. And then the second array is going to be the price. And it kind of does the same thing, where it's going to take the quantity of hats purchased times the price, plus the quantities of cookies purchased by the times the price, and so on and so forth. And it adds all of that together, taking the sum of the product, taking the sum of all the products of each individual item in the list. As you can see, the alt HNC, as you can see, the total sales for this instance was $187. A couple things to note as well too. One thing you got to make sure that whenever you're using this is that the lists, that each list that you're passing this function are of the same length. So for example, if I just did $20 at the bottom, and then try to make the second list from M13 to M14 to include that, it's going to throw an error. And even if I just get rid of this number, it's still going to throw an error because they are of two different lengths. Make sure that they are of the same length whenever you are doing this. So that said, I hope you found this quick tutorial on the SUMPRODUCT function to be helpful. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.